We must start putting the message of working ethics into our society again, so that the young people can appreciate the value of work. We are misleading the young people when we tell them that the hustler is the way forward. No. When you go and visit, ukirudi nyumbani, ende ukaone definition ya hustler ni nini kwa dictionary. Ukishaona hiyo jina ya hustler kwa dictionary, you will not want to be associated with what it means. Kwa hivyo tunawasihi, let us instill the work ethics in our society. Let us move forward. And we can only do it if we are honest with ourselves and if we appreciate each other and if we can move away from tribal politics. If you have an accident today and you went to Nairobi Hospital, or you went to Kiambu Hospital, or you went to Kikuyu Hospital where he's in charge, and you have a problem with your eyes maybe, and you know even eyes are donated. When people write wills, there are some who donate and they say, my heart should be preserved, it can be given to somebody else when I die. You know, people also donate eyes, so that somebody else can have vision when you have lost your eyesight. Now, I want to ask you, if you have had an accident and something has gone wrong with your eyes, and there's an eye bank in Kikuyu, and the doctors can actually perform a surgery and allow you to see again,